What's happening, YouTube? Charles and Chargers back with another video, and one of, if not my last one, in my current house here. And we got my favorite mail day of the month, the RC Explosion Box by Filmington. This is the original. We won't waste any time. Get right into it. Volume 58. I started with volume 16. Can't believe it's been 42, well 43 really, boxes, but it's been a lot of fun. So we're looking at 2018 Series 1, 2018 Update, 19 Bowman, 19 Heritage High Number, 19 Series 1, 20 Topps Chrome, 22 Chrome Update, and 23 Series 2. And there's Filmington's information for if or when he has one-time purchases or possible subscriptions open it up. So we'll set that back there. And let's get into it. We will go right on down the line like we always do. 18 Series 1. Looking for Devers, Albies, and Walker Buehler. I'm filming this before Game 7 tonight. We got Texas and Houston. I'm pulling for the Rangers only because Mad Max is on the bump. I really don't care about either team. Although Houston, I've said it before, man, regardless of 17 scandal, them kids can play. No doubt about it. All right, anyway, let's do it here. Starting off with Elvis Andrus. Sorry, kind of moving stuff around here. Salvi Perez. Judge League Leader. Francisco Mejia, rookie. Superstar Sensation, Joey Votto. That's cool. David Peralta. Nick Williams, rookie. Craig Kimbrell. And I blew a save or a lead the other night. Chase Headley and Andrew Miller. They're the one of, if not the big boy of the box, the 18 Update. Acuna, Ohtani, and Soto. There have been some good cards pulled out of this month's boxes already. Saw an Ohtani got a 25 auto pulled. There we go. All-Star Game, Mike Trout. Brandon Morrow. Mike Foltynewicz. Ryan Yarbrough, rookie. Shin Soo Choo, All-Star. International Affair. Danny Farquhar. Nathan Eovaldi. He's been damn good for the Rangers this year. I want the Cubs to get him so bad. Juris Familia. And is it Jaime Barria? Or Jamie Barria? Rookie. I cannot remember how it's pronounced. Alright, 19 Bowman. Looking at J-Rod, Ronnie Mauricio, Marte, Marco Luciano, Tucker, rookie, and Garcia, rookie. Okay, starting off with Ryan Borucki, rookie. Chance Adams, rookie. Justice Sheffield, rookie. Cedric Mullins, rookie. Chrome, Brandon Marsh. That's a cool looking card. Brusdar Graterol. It's that Sterling insert, I believe. Yeah, Bowman Sterling, yeah, okay. That's a cool looking card, though. Keibert Ruiz. Kevin Smith, Chrome. Jojo Romero. And Adrian Morjan. All right, 2019 Heritage High Number. Tatis, Riley, and Vladdy Jr. Neighbor's dog is outside going nuts as usual. If you can hear him in the background, will not miss that. All right, Kurt Suzuki, Russell Martin, Josh Sporg, rookie, Ben Gamel, Johnny Cueto, Jesus Sucre, Tyler O'Neill, Grayson Greiner, and DJ LeMahieu. And let's take a quick gander here. I think it's over 700. Okay, Johnny Cueto's a SP. Great. That's just my luck. All right, 2019 Series 1. We got Tucker, got an Ohtani Rookie Cup, Acuna Rookie Cup, and Garcia Rookies. All right, Ben Zobrist, Ronaldo Lopez, Cody Allen, Seattle Mariners, Safeco Field. One ballpark I'm yet to see, Safeco. SunTrust Park, haven't been there yet. I've been to Atlanta, just not SunTrust. Wade LeBlanc, that's cool. Topps Greatness returns, Ted Williams and Mookie Betts. That's a great card. Greatest Players, 150 stamp, Tom Glavine. Another great card, All Smiles, Pujols, Betts at first. Holds Betts at first. Adam Eaton. Randall Grichuk. Ian Kennedy. Shin Soo Choo. And Nico Goodrum. All right. Got 3 more packs to make some magic happen here. 2020 Chrome. Alvarez, my man Bo Bichette, Luis Robert, and Randy Rosarina. I will always take a Bichette. Hey, stop. Sheesh, now my dog's going unreal. One gets going, they all sing the song of their people. All right, Adrian Morjan, Brian Anderson, Joey Votto on the refractor, and Jeff Samardzija. I'll take that. I keep some Votto. I don't necessarily buy them, but if I pull them, I keep them. All right, 22 Chrome update. Julio, Witt, Royce Lewis, Jeremy Pena, Torque, Quan, CJ Abrams, and a Spencer Strider auto. Strider had one of the worst games of his career, so to speak, at the worst time. All right, Josh Winder, rookie. Jordan Luplow. Garrett Cole, All-Star Game refractor. And a Trevor Story, purple. All right, this is it. Series 2. Corbin Carroll, Josh Young, Yoshida, Jordan Walker, Anthony Volpe, Alvarez, and James Outman. All right. Brian Reynolds. There we go. Kodai Senga. Aaron Savali. Dylan Carlson. Chad Kuhl. Drew Rasmussen. Like the Devil Race throwback. Ahmed Rosario. Logan Gilbert. Jake Fraley. Got the Baseball Classic. Oh, that's cool. Miggy for Venezuela. I'll take that. The now retired Miggy. Jose Buto, rookie. Alfonso Rivas, Jurickson Profar, and Nate Eaton, rookie, to close it out. All right. You know, being honest, a little rough this month. A little rough, but hey, it happens. That happens. All right, we got the Miggy WBC, the Senga rookie, Story Purple, Cole Refractor, Votto Refractor, Pujols and holds bets at first, Glavin 150, Williams and Betts, that's a great card there, Trout All-Star, Votto Superstar Sensation, and Judge League Leader. So, another big rookies, but nice little stack of stuff there. So, that's it, guys. Thank you as always, to Fillington for putting this together. Always a fun rip, whether it's a great box or you kind of get skunked. So, always looking forward to next month. And that's it, guys. I will see you with whenever my next one comes up. Maybe I'll do a short for a couple things of mail I got, but that'll be about it. But like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy, and talk to you later.